How to fix screen share audio not working on Discord. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. So in today's video I will simply guide you on how you can fix the screen share audio not working on Discord. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to fix the screen share audio feature not working on Discord and then you want to stream with sound on the Discord platform, well in that case, whether you're on Android or whether you're actually on PC, the process and the option to enable and disable is pretty much the same. So first of all, what you want to do is just go ahead and open the Discord app, and then you want to click on the gear icon and then go to user settings, as you can see from the bottom left. Even if you are on mobile, you have to go to your settings panel, right? So once you come to your settings page, right over here you'll find the option called voice and video under app settings. So you want to go to the option called voice and video, and basically you can see your input device, just select default, and you can also select your output device, which is default. If you want to test them, you can just select the let's check option. Now after you check your input and output devices, one thing to enable sound is due to your input mode is set to voice activity. So what you need to do is you have to select this to push to talk. So basically when you select push to talk, now when you stream on Discord, your audio is also actually going to be visible in it. And that's basically how you can go ahead and then actually stream with sound on Discord. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.